Mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto ni okirirwo ni atongoria matiganite kurumirira gikuo kia Rex Kanyike Masai, mwanake wa ukuru wa miaka 30 uria warathirwo hindi ya mirurungano ya mbeu njithi ya kuregana na watho wa kigina. Makiaria hindi ya igongona ria mathiko ma kuhurukia Rex Masai itura-ini ria Kamuthanga kaunti ya Machakos, atongoria ya matongoretio ni mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka hamwe na gavana wa kaunti ya Machakos Wavinya Ndeti ni maugite matire na mwihoko na mwathanire wa President William Ruto, makiuga ndari na wiki otiga guthikiriria mateta ma a Kenya gwetha kihonia.
Mr. President, it is very important to listen to people. A good parent listens to their child.
Baba Rex, leave vengeance to God. But there are things we must do, and we are going to have to do, like la luta continua.
Na leo tunamwambia Bwana Ruto, wewe ukiongea na Kenya, tunataka kuongea na majenzi. Fanya vitu viwili kwanza before you talk to the Gen-Zs. Hakikisha ya kwamba IG of Police Kome amekoma kwa IG of Police wa Kenya.
Atongoria ya maugite matikwirorera ringi mbeu njithi makiuragwo hatari kihariro hindi ria mararuirira ihoto ciao, gukuma kiuga ihinda ni ikinyu ria president gwathana maabitha aria othe manyitire itemi kuraga mbeu njithi matashukirio ikinya ria kiwatho.
Ruto wa president or a leader, he would take responsibility for every life that has been lost unnecessarily during this struggle.
Yule askari ambaye alipiga Rex risasi, tuanze na yeye, si ndio? Ndugu zetu wa IPOA, mulikuwa pale wakati tunafanyia Rex upasuaji. Tunataka kabla wiki ijayo huyo askari yakuwa amefikishwa kotini kujibu mashtaka.
Kuhana uguo family yake ni shakaite Rex ta mwanake urari na ushamba wa kuruirira ihoto cia umundu na urari na kiheo kia mwanya ya kwirutira wira-ini wake hatari guthingiririo.
Your courage continues to inspire me, a constant reminder to embrace challenges with fortitude and grace.
In quiet moments, your presence is a legacy, my dear brother. Your laughter, your wisdom, and your kindness shapes my mind,
hamwe na uguo ni agwetetwo ta njamba iraragia na ushamba igiukirira aria maragarara ihoto cia umundu ni ikundi cia gutetera ihoto cia umundu, makiuga ahuruka ta njamba ya bururi.
Every single thing on demanding as young people of this country, this is the constitution. Rex died a hero.
His blood did not spill in vain. His blood will water the tree of democracy, civil liberties and human rights in this country.
Rex ni gatagati-ini ka andu angi 38 aria kurerikana moragirwo hindi ya mirurungano ya gikundi kia Gen-Z, guku nao makiria ya andu 100 magithie na mbere na kuhonia nguraro itiganite iria ni hamwe na nguraro cia rithathi na wangi 32 matiramenyeka kuria mari.